Hey guys, time for another Monday Model Live replay challenge. It is the 23rd of July 2024 and I am about to attempt Toby's challenges from last night my time. Chat replay is working again, which means I can see the times a bit more accurately. Let's see how we go. We've been, practicing a little bit, getting all the practice models out of the way and gearing up for the tournament, just being ready for when that hits. So let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. What is the mass of this part in XXX grams? This is frame mount 3. We've had similar models to this before. This is a slight variation. Get your music up a little bit here so you guys can really enjoy this one. Frame mount 3. Talk a little bit about the crate actually first. What is the mass of this part in XXX grams? The tolerance is plus or minus 1 gram. The purple fillets are radius 5 millimeters. This is millimeters. This is 1060 aluminum alloy, which has 2,700 kilograms per cubic meter as a density. This is a tier 4 complexity. Tier 4 complexity. It's got, let's see some features to take a look at here. Looks like there's a counter bore coming down from the top on this thing, and it looks like it's got like a rectangular matching down at the bottom there. So, tier 4 part frame mount 3. What is the QR code for it? The QR code just takes you to TTT.com/practice. It's just a straight URL. Just makes it a little bit easier to get there if you're looking at this one. TTT.com/practice is the website.
Cost me time.
50 plus challenges. You can visit TTT.com/practice for the first challenge. Currently free. Who knows what the future holds? Go ahead and take a screen capture of this 2D print, and that way you guys can use it to go onto your second monitor. I like this one. That's what you need. It's a good need. So take that print, put it on your second monitor so that you can keep modeling as we are to get back into today's presentation. It's a cool model. We'll do a live solve on this in a couple of weeks, I'm sure. But this is kind of a fun model. I like it when the models have symmetry. It makes for a lot of opportunity to take advantage of that.
Yeah.
Mirroring the centering of the geometry to the people in that symmetry in both directions. You guys give that a try, and while you're trying that, we are going to keep going with this
12.
Who can calculate the mass of this part in grams and enter that mass directly in the YouTube chat? First person to do it will be declared the winner. This is a model that we've seen a very similar version to in the past. So if you happen to have been here in the old days and you saw this model in the past, just make a note.
Yeah, mate. Never seen it before, so don't have to worry about that with me. I like it though.
Guys, don't forget to support the channel. The easiest way to support the channel is to hit that
got some size.
people watching. How many likes you got?
Through hole is 18, countable 30, depth is 8. And fillets 5.
We got 44 people watching. Let's see what we can do to get that number up to 44. Look at these answers coming in.
Oh, answers already?
And we got Victor K right behind him. Victor K, world champion.
823 386.
Ready to take a crack. You see him on the leaderboards. He's ready. He's revising. Victor K revising.
823 386 at 1418 in the chat.
Robbie Kumar is here in the chat. What's up, my man? Welcome. Thanks for joining us today.
If that's right.
Let's get those likes. Subscribe button and share and reshare. Guys, anytime you see
This is definitely very quick
moment. And
Oh, I've missed some fillets. Shit.
Rest it out to your
Okay, that's going to cost me.
We can learn all about 3D CAD as an e-sport.
Revising.
What else is out there?
825.
Other than
Hmm.
it's all that matters. But don't forget your challenge this week is to go to one.
And that hole doesn't go all the way through, or it does? It does.
The place to go if you want to catch up on all the latest news in the world.
825.6 at 1510 in the chat.
And don't forget, just like we saw Aaron C. and Ricardo G. and Da Vinci.
What's it minus? Plus or minus 1, so that's probably right now.
There's a great way to do it.
These guys revising a few times.
Super chat, or you can use super thanks. These are great ways to support the channel, send some value back. Maybe you're
I would say it looks like
Disney, something like that, and you pay a monthly subscription.
Ace has it.
As well. You can ask yourself, what kind of a monthly value do I get from Talk Toby?
Cool. All right. We're going to sit on this one and come back for the answers. All right. It's time. Let's see how it went.
2-6. We like it. Let's see what else we got here. Whoops. Rambros 826. Anthony 826. Rambros 826. Nikhil coming in 877. I like it. I was thinking 826. Yep. I like that answer. Shuror coming in 823.7. Did the top and bottom things as thin features. Yeah, I like those. I like that thin feature on the bottom too, that 6 millimeters. And Chuck revising 2, 1, 3, 5, 5. Guys, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 826.
Nice.
So GG to Ace. Well done.
So
well done.
Ace first.
Nice job to Ace.
1446. I was about 25 seconds behind. Very close. GG Ace. All right. Let's go to the next one.
In 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. Another old one, another oldie but a goodie. What is the mass of this part in XXX grams? Tolerance is plus or minus 2 grams. Now we have these magenta notes we call Rich Penn calls them Toby notes. I think that's a good name for them. These Toby notes. So whenever you see one of those magenta notes, you want to just kind of like take pause and look at it and see if I'm trying to give you some kind of a hint. But in this case, it actually says hint. Do not merge faces. Now, this is a discussion that we had a while back about this model, about what happens when you merge those faces. But just trust me, don't merge those faces. If your CAD system has an option for that type of a command to merge those faces, choose not to. It might say something like merge tangent faces. Choose not to.
All right.
So you can see what's happening here with this model.
Good tip. Haven't even looked at that part yet, but
Tangent, that 10 millimeter dimension is held all the way across the top of the model there. This is some kind of a corner jig.
Just doing these bottom parts first.
A hole drilled into it, shove a foot on the bottom, something like that. So maybe the foot sits into those little C-boards and you drill up the hole from the bottom, something like that.
13 by 20 by 5.
So this needs to set on an existing part, the corner of a canoe or a kayak, something like that.
All right. Now, the tricky part.
And so,
10 millimeters there.
figure out what is the mass of this part. What's the best way to draw this geometry? This part's made of ABS. It's 1020 kilograms per cubic meter. And this part has a very
on this side.
compared to some of our other parts. Usually you get about
I think this might be a loft cut.
0.1% usually.
I think it might be a loft cut.
Quite a bit more as far as the tolerance goes.
Raise a 9.
And there's a reason.
Height of 19.
We'll talk more about that reason at the end. But for now, what I need you guys to do.
And then on the other side, we're going same point down with a really big arc.
Hit the print screen button. Whatever it is that you use.
That's got a radius of 42. And 10 to tangent. Okay, so that's also 10.
Alright.
Assume that's tangent there.
We'll talk more about this part at the end of the presentation.
And then it's going to straight line across.
I hope there was enough time for everybody.
Okay, I reckon we've got this.
A little bit more tricky, right? What is going to be part of the turn?
We're going to do a
Lofts and sweeps.
loft from here to here. You can use that cut surface out, hide that surface. I reckon that's it.
The geometry on the print goes compared to the geometry.
Look, I reckon that's it. 340.48 at 36.48 in the chat. And that is right on time from Victor and Aaron. What am I? 36.22, 20 seconds after Aaron. I'm within the 2 gram tolerance. Nice one. Yeah, nice loft one there. Maybe you could just do a loft cut there instead of the surface. That would save me a bit of extra time. Probably didn't need that sketch on the top either. But those they did help me a little bit with getting it right. So hey, that was pretty good. Let's pause and check out the answer. All right, answer time. I'm not sure I quite understood this do not merge faces thing. Toby's just explained it. I might have to go back and have another go at that if I've got it wrong. So let's just see how we went.
PG Ace answers came in. So Aaron C comes in with 347. Victor K comes in with 347. Ace comes in with 347. Very, very nice. Ricardo Jean, 347. I like it. VVV comes.
Actually, totally misread that those guys were posting 347. Whereas my at 36 something in the chat, and I'm 340, so I reckon I've definitely got this one wrong.
347. AMO Alex comes in 347. Ram Bros comes in at 352. Kamal comes in with 371. Hello, Kamal. Welcome to the channel. Sharor comes in with 347. Let's see if Sharor ended up using that variable fillet. Amir comes in 347. Aaron C 347 with variable fillet. Very nice. I like that. So, guys, the correct answer is 347.
347, and I'm wrong. GG.
To Aaron C.
Aaron C. Nice work, mate. All right. While we're here, let's redo it, hey? Let's just put that in a folder and hide that away. I'll just show the outline because we'll use the same position, but I will hide these sketches because we want to get this one right. And to do that, we should do a loft from the very start. So we might move the position actually, so I don't even need that. Let's go to the right plane. And we'll start with the one that we can see, which is on this side. And the height's going to be 82, and the width is going to be 60. And then this has a straight edge. It says 10, a radius, then a 42, and then another straight edge. Doesn't say what that second straight edge is, but that is be a tangent point there. And this point here is 12. That's a dimension I had wrong there. So maybe I would have been right if I had that dimension correct. Let's just go back and have a look. So I drew this line here and I gave it 10. But if I had done 12, then I'd get the right answer. 347. So bad error there. I think I was looking at all these 10s and I didn't see the 12 on the side. So, oh well. Let's just see if we can do it with a loft while we're here. We may as well finish off. So cut away these sections. And then I need to do, I guess this is the annoying bit. I have to do another plane, 90 degrees away. And this one would have same rectangle, but smaller radius there, which becomes 9. All right, and then we can go into a loft from one to the other. Get those points correct. All right, and that looks pretty quick. Then we'd be drawing the remaining parts, so I wonder how quickly I could do these. It was 22 out, 22 radius. That's going to stuff me up every time. And the same thing here, 22 out, 22 radius. Okay, those coming up 12. And then the holes on top. Already got the hole settings here, so that'll be quick. And pretty much the same answer there, 346,982. So, okay, 2 methods of doing that. Little mistake there, dimension error, but speed was pretty good. Thanks again for the stream, Toby. See you all next time.